Hi, this is Ayan from Taurus Riders Club. I am very happy to be part of Food on Wheels, and I highly appreciate to all the volunteers who are participating in this pandemic situation. Really, I salute to all my heroes. On this occasion, I would like to wish my friend Mr. Jitesh a very happy birthday. Stay blessed. Thank you so much.
Hi Jitesh, many happy returns of the day, bhai. I know it's a surprise for you, but yeah, even I'm a part of it. And so, God bless you, man. God bless you. You're a gem of a person. It's almost 4 years we are friends, and I think the time is still on, and many more years to come. Lots of love to you, bhai. Stay fit, stay healthy, take care of your family. And थोड़ा good news दे दे भाई, नाचना है शादी में, कुछ कर ले जल्दी जल्दी. चलो बाय बाय.
हैप्पी बर्थडे जितेश भाई. भगवान आपको ऐसे ही अच्छे काम करने की शक्ति देते रहे. आपका और हमारा साथ यूं ही बना रहे, यही शुभकामनाएं.
Hi Jitesh, how are you? It's been 2 years since we met in Food Seva and you have been a great inspiration to many of us. I wish you all the best and a wonderful birthday today and hope you'll be an inspiration to many of us in the coming years together. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, this is Suman and I'm wishing Mr. Jitesh ji a very happy birthday. I'm not a guy who does a lot of videos, so anyways, I'm trying my best to just convey the wishes to somebody who's been great in this COVID times and trying to support all the COVID warriors by arranging food and medicals and all that. So you're doing a great job. God bless you, and I wish you many more years of great service and health and happiness. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday, Jitesh. Take care. Bye.
Wishing you many happy more returns of the day. You're such a wonderful person. May God bless you, you and your family. You are our inspiration. We all are in together, and we are working on in our team like Food on Wheels. And we have such a wonderful person like you. And I wish you all the best in future. And once again, I'm wishing you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Jitesh bhai, this is Smile on your birthday. I wish that each day of your life brings you sweet memories and fills your heart with warmth and happiness.
Hi Jitesh, Pallavi here. Happy birthday. Have a fantastic day ahead.
Hi Jitesh bhai, how are you? Fine. Happy birthday to you. Stay blessed. This is Manoj.
Hi Jitesh bhai, this is Arvind here. Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు జితేష్ భాయ్. మీరెప్పుడు ఇలానే నవ్వుతూ అందరికీ సేవ చేస్తూ హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ మీ కిషోర్ ద రైడర్.
Happy birthday little brother Jitesh. God bless you and stay always happy.
Hi Jitesh uncle, I'm Tapasvi and we hope you have a great birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have the best birthday you've dreamt of. Bye.
Happy birthday Jitesh bhaiya.
Happy birthday Jitesh.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Jitesh bhai. Stay home, stay safe. May God bless you.
Happy birthday Jitesh bhaiya. I must say that I am really happy that we have met through such a noble cause. What platform you have given us. I don't think we would have come across such a platform so early in our life, and all credits go to you, to Kalyan uncle, and to everybody who is a part of this drive. But other than that, you are an amazing person. Your patience is commendable. Personally, I learn a lot from you, from this whole cause that we're doing, and you are truly an inspiration for all of us, especially for the generation like us who's the future of India. So yeah, I mean, keep doing what you're doing. It's amazing, and we will keep helping you as much as we can, and I will wish you nothing but the best of health, best of happiness, best of everything in your life. Have an amazing birthday tomorrow. A very, very happy birthday, Jitesh Bhaiya.